Hey everybody, welcome back to the Shopify video course. We're in the home stretch now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add discount and coupon codes to your store. So again, we're in the Shopify homepage dashboard. And to add a discount code, you'll see right here on the side, there's a discount section. So we're going to go in and click that. And we don't have any codes right now. So we're going to create a discount. This is what the customer will enter at checkout. So it could be anything. It could be you could change it per week. You could change it per day. You could have sales for Christmas. This one says spring sale. So we're going to put right now, we're just going to put, let's see, razor, sharp shave. I'm just going to do sharp shaves as my discount code. And then you can decide here if you want free shipping to be offered. So if you're not already offering free shipping, you could have a free shipping coupon code. You could do a % discount, or you could do actually just straight money off. So I'm going to do a discount, and I'm going to take 10% off. It could be all orders. It could be orders over a certain price. So we're going to say 10% off orders over 100. You can change if you want this to be on unlimited code, you could do that there. If you want only one person to be able to use it, limit to one per customer, we're going to click that. Just that's, again, our decision. All of this stuff is up to you and what your margins can handle. You can do a start date and you can do an end date or no end date. I'm going to do no end date. So again, this is 10% off orders over $100 or more. And the coupon code or the discount code is Sharp Shaves. And I want to quickly jump into our checkout. So this is, I put an order in my cart on the product page, and then I went to the checkout. And you'll see here, there's nowhere to add. This is before I saved. And there's nowhere to add this coupon code, right? So if you don't have any coupon codes in Shopify, it does not put a section to add the coupon code at checkout. But when you do, right, we have one here. I'm going to refresh the page, and now there's a place to add a discount. So this is if a customer was told to use Sharp Shaves on an order over $100, they would put the discount code in there, they'd click apply, and then it would come up and show that they got that discount, right? So that's basically the simple way of how codes work. But we have this in our back end, but just because we put this here doesn't mean it's showing to our customers. If you go to our website, that's not showing anywhere. So there's numerous places you can put it. You can put it on your banner here. So you could say up to 10% off, use code Sharp Shaves. You can put it down here. You can put it in a banner. So, or a hello bar type thing up here. So I'm going to do that quickly just to show you guys some options. And I'm going to visit the App Store. And let's see. So quick announcement bar. This seems like the one I'll use since it's free and I've never installed it before. So we'll see. We're all on the same page here. And I want to create a new bar. I want it to, we'll do bold and clear. And then we'll say so we'll put this in there. And we'll just have people come to our collections page. One at the top, push down the rest of the page. We'll make it always visible while scrolling on every page. We'll put it only on desktops. Always. And then I'm just going to find, let's see, that dark red. Okay. So there's so many different options here. This actually looks like a great app. Again, I've never used it, but that's what's so good about it. You could always kind of search and find the newest, best app. And so it looks like we're here. And there we go. So 10% off on orders 100 plus. We can go back in and edit it because I kind of just, let's see how we edit. Kind of just threw it together without checking. And I want the background color actually to be this red. And the button can be a dark gray. Okay, so that's basically how we would do that, and we would show our coupon code. In other apps, again, not app, every theme will have a different way you can do this. You can add a banner image. Again, you can add a banner image on pretty much any theme, but some places may actually have it where you can put it in and show it on your product page. So again, this is just a simple way to do it with a pop-up bar or a hello bar up here, but we can add that coupon code to anywhere around our store to be able to show urgency. You could even write like this coupon code ending tomorrow or tomorrow night or Wednesday night, something like that, so that you can promote urgency with this bar as well as showing off your sales. So that is how you add discount codes to your store. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys everything that I haven't really touched on yet within Shopify, and then you can hop on to finally getting approved with suppliers. So I'll see you guys in the next video.